Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's review, we're diving into the best boxing gloves for leather sparring training, the RDX MMA Hybrid Sparring Gloves. These gloves promise to be your all-in-one solution for MMA, Muay Thai, grappling, and even heavy bag work. Let's break down why this product is a powerhouse in the world of combat sports gear. Right out of the box, the first thing that stands out is the high-quality construction. The outer layer is crafted from Maya Hide Convex Skin Leather, RDX's proprietary faux leather material. It looks and feels premium, but more importantly, it's built to last. Whether you're training 3 times a week or going hard every day, these gloves are designed to handle the abuse of intense training without cracking or deforming. Let's talk padding. These are 7 ounces hybrid gloves, and the padding inside is where RDX truly shines. The Quadro Dome technology is what sets them apart. It's a multi-layered foam system designed to absorb and disperse shock from punches. Whether you're throwing crosses, jabs, or uppercuts, you'll feel that your knuckles and thumbs are protected without sacrificing power or speed. And yes, there is a padded thumb for additional safety, something not all open palm gloves provide. Now, one of the big challenges with MMA gloves is finding that balance between protection and mobility. RDX tackles this with an ergonomic pre-curved shape. The glove is divided into segments that follow the natural contour of your hand. It doesn't feel like you're wearing a stiff block. Each foam segment moves independently, allowing fluid transitions from striking to grappling. You can clench, open, and grab without the glove getting in the way, which is a game changer for mixed discipline training. Wrist support is another major highlight. These gloves come with a 52cm triple lock wrist strap. That's right, 3 hook and loop sections that wrap snugly and securely around your wrist. It not only prevents slippage during sparring but also minimizes the risk of wrist injuries when throwing hard punches. You can fine-tune the fit exactly the way you like, and once it's locked in, it stays put. Another standout feature is the open palm design. This isn't just for show. The fingerless structure and open palm maximize your grip, perfect for clinch control, submissions, or quick transitions on the ground. And because of the improved airflow, your hands stay cooler and drier during training. Inside the glove, moisture-wicking fabric helps prevent sweat buildup, which means less slipping and more grip, even during longer sessions. Training gear needs to be durable, but it also has to be comfortable. These gloves strike a solid balance between both. The reinforced stitching and quality materials ensure longevity, while thoughtful design choices, like the Maya Hide finger loops and pre-curved mold, enhance comfort and fit. As far as size and color options go, you have multiple sizes including small, medium, large, and large, extra large, and there are several color choices available. So whether you're a beginner looking to get started in MMA or a seasoned fighter needing reliable training gear, there's a version that'll work for you. All in all, the RDX MMA Hybrid Sparring Gloves deliver outstanding value at a price point of $32.99. You're getting durability, comfort, and performance in one well-rounded package. From heavy bag work to grappling drills, these gloves are built to handle it all. If you're looking to elevate your training gear, these are definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's product critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews. See you next time.